The 2026 Mahindra Thar has become one of the most iconic vehicles on Indian roads, a true symbol of off-road capability, rugged design, and adventurous spirit that captures the hearts of off-road lovers and everyday drivers alike. For many in India, the Thar represents freedom, the ability to go places less traveled, explore landscapes beyond paved roads, and enjoy a driving experience that feels raw, exciting, and deeply connected to the terrain. While SUVs and crossovers have surged in popularity over the years, the Thar remains in a class of its own, blending classic 4x4 prowess with modern comfort and features that make it suitable not only for rugged trails but also for daily life in cities and towns. From the moment you see the 2026 Thar, its design tells a story of strength and adventure. The bold and muscular exterior carries unmistakable Thar DNA, a boxy yet dynamic silhouette that emphasizes toughness and functionality. Large, round LED headlights and a commanding grille pay homage to its heritage, while wide wheel arches and chunky tires hint at the capabilities that lie beneath. Every angle of the Thar communicates readiness for action, whether it's climbing steep trails, crossing shallow rivers, or navigating rocky tracks. Despite its rugged intent, the design remains stylish and purposeful, appealing not only to off-road enthusiasts but also to buyers seeking a vehicle with strong road presence and personality. Stepping inside, the 2026 Mahindra Thar offers an interesting blend of ruggedness and modern refinement. The cabin has been thoughtfully designed to balance comfort with durability. Supportive seats, intuitive controls, and a spacious layout ensure that long journeys, whether on highways or dirt paths, remain comfortable and engaging. While the Thar's roots are in hardcore off-roading, the interior has evolved to keep pace with contemporary expectations. A large infotainment touchscreen with smartphone connectivity via Android Auto and Apple CarPlay brings modern convenience to the cockpit. The digital analog instrument cluster puts key information right in front of the driver, while well-placed storage spaces and robust materials ensure functionality without feeling too utilitarian. Engine performance plays a pivotal role in defining the Thar's character, and the 2026 version stays true to the 4x4 legend by offering strong and capable engines that are tuned for real-world performance. Options typically include a responsive turbo petrol and a torquey diesel engine, both paired with manual and automatic transmissions to suit various driving styles. On the road, the Thar feels confident and eager, delivering impressive torque that makes tackling challenging terrain or cruising on highways feel equally effortless. The engines are designed to offer a balance of power and efficiency, giving drivers a sense of control whether they're climbing steep inclines, navigating uneven surfaces, or simply enjoying a smooth ride in town. What truly sets the 2026 Thar apart is its off-road capability, a factor that has earned it a dedicated following among adventure seekers. Built with a robust chassis, strong suspension, and high ground clearance, the Thar excels in terrains where ordinary vehicles struggle. It's equipped with features like shift-on-the-fly 4x4, differential locks, and low-range gearing technologies that enable confident maneuvering in mud, sand, rocks, and steep trails. The rugged suspension system soaks up bumps and obstacles with ease, ensuring that passengers feel secure even in challenging conditions. Enthusiasts often highlight how the Thar makes off-road driving feel intuitive, rewarding, and fun, transforming difficult trails into memorable journeys. At the same time, the Thar is surprisingly practical for everyday driving. Despite its rugged persona, the steering is reasonably light for city use, making navigation and parking easier than you might expect for a vehicle of this size. The ride quality, while firm enough to handle tough terrain, remains composed on urban roads and highways, providing a comfortable experience for occupants. Whether you're running errands around town, heading out on a weekend escape, or embarking on a long highway drive, the Thar continues to impress with its versatility and capability. Safety is a vital consideration for Indian buyers, and the 2026 Mahindra Thar is equipped with features designed to protect occupants in various scenarios. Multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, and rear parking sensors with a camera are among the safety features that help ensure confidence on and off the road. The strong body structure and design philosophy focused on occupant protection add an additional layer of reassurance for families and adventure seekers alike. The comfort factor in the Thar has also seen significant improvements over the years. Enhanced seating, improved cabin insulation, and thoughtful ergonomics mean that long drives are less tiring for both drivers and passengers. Rear seating in the Thar, once considered basic in earlier generations, has now become more accommodating, with enough space for adults on longer journeys. Cabin storage solutions, cup holders, and usable compartments enhance everyday usability, making the Thar more practical than ever before. A standout aspect of the Thar experience is the sense of connection it offers between driver and terrain. On off-road excursions, drivers often speak of the Thar as an extension of themselves, a vehicle that responds predictably to inputs and communicates feedback through the steering, suspension, and throttle. This connection transforms adventurous drives into immersive experiences, where every trail challenge feels like a personal achievement. Whether crossing river beds, climbing steep rocky paths, or navigating through dense forest tracks, the Thar's capability shines, making it a favorite among off-road clubs and adventure tourism enthusiasts across India. Fuel efficiency remains a practical concern for many buyers, and while the Thar's focus is primarily on capability rather than pure economy, the engines are designed to deliver a reasonable balance. In city conditions, mileage figures are competitive for a vehicle of this class and size, and on long highway runs, the engines demonstrate a level of refinement that makes cruising comfortable and stable. Drivers who use the Thar primarily for off-road weekend trips rather than daily commuting often find the balance between performance and fuel economy acceptable and practical. Ownership experience is another area where the Thar continues to impress its supporters. Mahindra's service network spans across the country, making maintenance and servicing accessible even in smaller towns and remote locations. Spare parts availability and a strong aftermarket ecosystem ensure that customization, upgrades, and repairs are manageable and cost-effective. For many Thar owners, part of the joy of owning the vehicle is the sense of community and shared enthusiasm among fellow Thar drivers, a culture that celebrates rugged exploration, road trips, and off-road adventures. Another advantage of choosing a Thar is its resale value, which has historically remained strong due to sustained demand, especially in the used vehicle market. Enthusiasts who care for their Thars often find that the vehicle holds value well over time, making it not just an exciting purchase but also a financially sensible one in the long run. This is especially relevant in a country like India, where resale value can significantly influence buying decisions. Today's buyers appreciate that the Thar is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice, an adventure partner, and a statement of freedom. Unlike conventional cars that serve primarily as transportation tools, the Thar invites its owners to explore beyond the familiar and embrace unpredictability with confidence. The 2026 model continues to build on this legacy, offering both seasoned off-roaders and curious explorers a capable companion that feels ready for any journey. In a country with diverse landscapes, from deserts and mountains to forests and coastal highways, the 2026 Mahindra Thar stands as a testimony to the spirit of adventure. It's a vehicle that doesn't shy away from rough paths but welcomes them, transforming difficult trails into exciting journeys. Whether you're navigating uneven off-road terrain, cruising through city streets, or embarking on a long highway escape with friends and family, the Thar delivers an experience that feels powerful, engaging, and deeply satisfying. For anyone who dreams of trails over tarmac, rough paths over smooth roads, and unforgettable experiences over mundane drives, the 2026 Mahindra Thar remains one of the most compelling and iconic choices in India. It's a car that embodies capability, character, and pure adventurous spirit, qualities that make it the off-road lover's favorite and a vehicle worth celebrating in every sense. If you'd like, I can turn this into a YouTube description with SEO tags, hashtags, and related search terms suited to Indian viewer to help your video reach more people. RV fire upward trend.